Hi. I got a little fired up this morning. I think I've watched one too many news channels, and I just had to say this again. Those of you that have followed me at all know that I talk about this all the time. You can't listen to every single person that appears to be an expert. I just saw an expert on was either Bloomington or Yahoo Finance, I don't know. I was on YouTube. I kind of keep the markets on in the background as I'm working. And I heard this expert being interviewed about mortgages, and she said the lower the down payment, the higher the rate. That's just a fact. No, that's not a fact at all. And depending on the time and the pricing incentives and the discounts and whatever the lender happens to be doing at that time, FHA and VA loans can have rates that are 1% lower than conventional. And they're like 3.5% down for FHA, 0 down for VA. So I don't know where she's getting her information. She also said everybody needs to be on a 15-year mortgage if at all possible because it will cut their interest in half. Kind of. The other thing you can do is make about one extra payment to your principal on a 30-year loan every year, and it's going to start cutting your term down. You're going to start paying less interest, and eventually you could have the house paid off in roughly 18 years. I don't have exact figures on that. I'm just saying there's more than one way to pay less interest on a loan. So, other experts are saying stuff like, oh, your income to debt ratio has to be 50% or less. No, FHA, I've had them approved at 55, 57, 58%. I don't even expect you to have to figure that out. That's what I'm here for. All I'm saying is know who your experts are. My experts are people I trust, people I've followed for years, people that I ask questions of, and if they don't know the answers, they know who does. I trust people that I know and watch and listen to, and I trust them to give me advice or give me somebody else who can. That's what you need. You don't need somebody who just because they were interviewed on uh, some financial show or website, that doesn't mean they know anything. And maybe they did mortgage banking 10 years ago, but they have no idea what's going on now. Things are changing continually. And I saw another expert say rates have plummeted. Now, they said that today, when actually rates plummeted on Friday for about 20 minutes, and then they started going up. Yesterday, we had 4 unscheduled price changes in one day as rates were flying up. So the person who said rates were plummeting had old news. And unfortunately, in this market, old news could be yesterday. Rates are not staying steady right now. Maybe someday they will again. But for now, rates are volatile, like I've been saying all year they would be. I obviously was even understated when I warned this year was going to be volatile. So keep it all in mind. Go to somebody you trust. Follow me. Check me out anywhere. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm on Unclonable for TikTok. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I'm everywhere. And I share tips, and I'm an underwriter background. I'm a loan officer. I'm a broker. I'm a trainer. I'm a mentor. And if you need good advice and you need some help on how to start getting finance for a loan, getting pre approved, getting started, now is the time to do it. Don't wait until rates drop. Do it now because they are going to fluctuate and you want to know you're pre approved. So that's all. Hang in there and just be careful of who you listen to. It doesn't hurt to listen, but don't take that as that's it. This is how it is because it's probably not. Okay. Ciao.